really just helping people out with the process of purchasing a home. Probably one of the biggest decisions that they'll make in their life as far as an expenditure. So protecting their interest, that brings me a lot of satisfaction, just knowing that people trust us to go out and examine these homes for them, give them all kind of information, whether it be structural information or whatever, just to help them understand what they're getting into, if there's something that's immediately needing to be repaired or replaced, kind of protecting their financial interest. So that probably, and then of course the relationships that you build is of course with the real estate agents and the clients. I have clients for who I've done inspections for tens of years ago, who still call me and ask me questions about different things related to the house or recommend me to family and friends. So relationships probably, but obviously protecting our clients in the best interest as far as their investment.